being guilty of arson in the second degree, let alone beyond a reasonable doubt. Why on earth would a high-achieving student throw away her entire future over one bad grade? It makes no sense. The lack of evidence combined with many factors indicate one giant accident waiting to happen. And if you leave this trial with even one question, we ask that you must find Danny Dawson not guilty. At 7:33 and 7:35 p.m., Danny Dawson and Phoenix Blake exited the Lubbock Natural Sciences building, forgot to turn off the master switch, and the hot plate that caused the fire was turned all the way on instead of all the way off due to a lack of indications on the knob and CJ's admitted and obvious carelessness. The school's carelessness also contributed to this, with inconsistent card scanning, lack of supervisors, and previous gas issues. These all add up to indicate one giant accident because we are people, and when it comes to people, accidents happen. One of the main factors was the school's carelessness. Sydney Stapp mentioned that earlier that she was familiar with the building because she had previously worked on a gas leak. We all know that gas leaks are very dangerous and can easily cause ignition, so that could have definitely contributed to the accident. There were also a lot of flammable chemicals nearby, which could have also contributed to it, which could have definitely been prevented if there were supervisors or security there. Ms. Dawson testified to there being no supervisors there, and no, these students aren't irresponsible, but why leave a bunch of 19-year-olds in a lab by themselves with a bunch of dangerous resources and materials with no supervisors? That also makes no sense. There was also a